Hello, this is Samsul Alam from BangladeshProgrammer.com, and today I want to show you to install Zend Framework 2. I know there is a lot of tutorial. You will find it even on the Zend Framework website, their official website, and also there are a lot of other good guys. They also have read something in the different blogs and their own website to show you how to install Zend Framework. But I also have my website and I write blog there how to install Zend Framework 2, but also I will follow this tutorial and will make this video so that you can, if you have problem to see following this blog, then you can also watch my video and see what's going on. So I will do like this. So first of all, open my website, that is BangladeshProgrammer.com tutorial blog. So enter it. This site address is also, I put it on the description of the video, so you will find it there. And I will go for Zend in my category, and then how to install Zend Framework 2 in Exam or Windows environment. It's not a matter if you do not have any Zend or anything. If you have anything like web server to run PHP, then it's enough. But I have them been installed in my computer, so it will be helpful if you have that Zend. I don't know. You cannot. So we'll follow this tutorial and we'll install Zend Framework 2 or Zend. So at first of all, you have to know that for installing Zend Framework 2, you need at least PHP 5.3.3. If your PHP version is lower than this, then you have to upgrade your PHP version, definitely. Otherwise, Zend Framework 2 will not work, because Zend Framework 2 is using lots of PHP 5 advanced features. So it's better at least you have 5.3.3 or upper version. So how do you check which PHP version you are using? So you can open a command prompt and type php-v. It will give you which PHP version you are using. So you can see I am using PHP 5.4.7. But it sometimes happens that you will see when you type php-v that PHP is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if you have this problem, if you see this message, just follow my other tutorial, or I also have writing some steps to do this, or there is a link here, there I make a video tutorial how to do this. So you can watch or follow this step. So now we have PHP version that suits Zend Framework 2 requirement. So now we can go on. I normally use Git to install this type of things, and for version controlling I also use Git, and a lot of other guys. It's very popular. You can start learning it if you don't, and if you already use Git, then it will be very good. There are some links here, so you can go and install them. I'm not going to show you how to install them. Maybe it's another tutorial I will do this. So I assume you have Git installed on your computer. So you have to go and open Git bash. You have to enter to your web server. My web server, I have installed Zend in C drive. So I have to type cd //c /them docs. So now I am in Jam htdocs folder. So I want to install Zend Framework 2 tutorial or the project file here. So you can just type git and then colon and just copy this text and paste it here. I will change my name git f2-tutorial because I already installed it, I already have it, so I will name it gen f2 tutorial video. Okay. You do not have to make this folder inside your server, it will create automatically. Just click enter. So you see it is downloading some files from Git, and if you type ls, then you will see there are a lot of files installed. And the folder is created. It's cd. If you want to enter into this folder, get f2 tutorial video, and it's by default master. And if you type ls, then you will see there are some files it's downloaded from Git. So now we have to type php, then composer.par, then self-update. So you see it is downloading and finished 100%. Now again type php composer.par, then install. It is installing the dependencies and all the requirements that Zend Framework 2 to need to run on your server. So it will do automatically. You can see it takes some time, but it will finish very soon. I also put down a screenshot of my previous installation when I installed Zend Framework 2 tutorial. So I gave it finish almost. Now we have finished the installation. Now we need to do a couple of things. And we want this project run from, it will act like a website, but it will run from our local host. So to do this, we have to follow some simple steps. Just hang up with me and we will be done pretty soon. So to do this, you have to open the http vhost.com file, which is in your Apache folder. In my case, it is in exam, Apache, configuration, then extra, and then http vhost.com. Wherever you install your Apache, just go into that configuration file, conf, and then you can open this file. I will open, in my case, Apache, then conf, then extra, and http vhost, this one. So I will open it, and I will configure. The Apache let know that this is a new website, a new website. So I will copy. You see, on every there is a virtual host 80 start and end. So what we're gonna do is copy this information block, copy, and we'll go the bottom and just paste it here. So we will change a little bit here, like our document root is htdoc ZF2 tutorial, not I make new this video, and there is a public folder there, so it is only for public. There are some other folders that cannot be viewed from outside of website. So only we can access the public folder, which is very good. And we're gonna name our server, it's www.jf2-video.log or localhost, whatever you like, you can put. It's a short of localhost. I also, without www, I will put /video.log, and the server alias is also same, video.log, and the directory is on cexam htdoc video tutorial ZF2 video tutorial video public, and our directory index will be index.php, override all, other we left it same, and then we're gonna save this file. So we finish. Just minimize it for now. Now also you have, if you like want to see the localhost like this one. So my local server is running. So if you want also that, just also make sure that you have this into your file. So I already have this. So let's check it. Okay. Here, virtual host, document root, which is my web server, direct document, and name server is localhost. So make sure you have this one so that you can browse like this, where you have all the local websites on your computer. And after this, the last step, we have to open the Windows. If you are in Windows, I am in Windows, so go to your computer, see Windows folder, then open System32, and then drivers, etc, and there is a host folder there. So try to open it with administrator in the notepad so that you can make the change. Otherwise, Windows will not give you permission to open it and save it. So how are we going to open the notepad as an administrator? So click on notepad, right click it, and then run as administrator. From you that do you really want to change? So yes, just copy. And then I'm going to open the file, which is this location. So I'm gonna just paste this here and make sure it's all files showing here so that it will show this one, and open it. And go to the bottom, and I am using as it is my local host and my local IP is this one, so I will just type 127. Most probably it is pure also, because all the local hosts normally is this one by default for Apache, and ZF2 dash tutorial dash video dot lock. So we are saying that this is the website of our website URL, and it's coming from localhost. So now just save this file. As you opened it as an administrator, so you can save. But if you open without the administrator privilege, then you cannot save this file. So we've done this. So this is our website URL. So we know that. So just now close this one also. And now we have done. So we'll try to open our Zend Framework so that we have installed by as a normal website www.zf2tutorial-video.log. So just enter it. You just click the forward slash here. Oh, we have to restart our Apache server so that Apache know there is some changes. So I install Xam, so I click on it. I stop my Apache server and run it again so that it restarts some kind of. So it can also restart your Apache server. I normally do stop and start. I don't know how to restart this thing. So I restart my Apache. Okay, something wrong here. You see, Apache logs error dot file. So there is something wrong happened. So that's why it cannot accept. So I have to look on this configuration file and let's see what I have done. So I know you guys are laughing maybe because I write it here wrong. It's tutorial dash video.log. So now save and then restart my Apache server. So now I will again try to restart my Apache server and let's see what happens. So now it starts. So I will cancel this and I will try to see my installation, how it happened, how it looks. So I will try www.zf2-tutorial-video.log. No, that's all. So I should have the Zend Framework. By default page. So you see, we have installed Zend Framework 2, and this is the Zend Framework version of 2.1.4, the latest version. So every time you upgrade or self-update this skeleton, then it will upgrade from this version. The latest version always will get. So now we install Zend Framework 2, and you see this URL really looks like it's a website. And if you delete this www, then it will work. No, but it's supposed to work with HTTP. Let's try. No, it only works with www.tutorial-video and then log. So now we know how to install Zend Framework 2 from cache. And I will stop my video here. I will come with some new further installation of further application of the Zend framework, like how to include a module, like they have include the album module and test it, and I will also do this, and I will also put some video tutorial about this one so that you can also follow and quickly do this. So thanks for watching my video, and if you have time also, please go and visit my blog and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have fun.